Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. I want to do a quick rundown of a couple things that I currently have and I'm releasing on my website, daytradingfearless.com. Learn to trade with stocks, options, and futures without fear is kind of my mission statement. I'm trying to help better you as a trader. So I currently have two courses. The first course is $99 lifetime access, where you get S&P Emini weekly trade zones that I update every single weekend, Monday or Sunday evening, for the following week's trading in the S&P Emini futures. I also teach you how to draw the trade zone video course, 2-hour-long course. The newest bundle that I'm doing is $299 for lifetime access to the S&P Emini trade zones, but you also get my top 5 trading strategies video course bundle. And essentially, this is what's included with the bundle. You're going to get how to trade the waterfall, my divergence trade setup, the learn to draw trade zones, the 61.8 Fibonacci pullback, and also selling puts for monthly income in the futures and the stocks. This is an entire bundled video course that gives you over about 7 hours worth of content for only $299. It's a one-time payment. You have access for life to to all these courses down below. And as a bonus, I currently am giving you over 30 special Thinkorswim custom indicators and chart layouts that I personally use with my trading, or I've used them in the past, that I think would be really helpful to you as a trader. But also, you're going to receive a one-on-one personal phone call coaching session with me about the video course, where I'll answer any of your questions, and that's a $100 value, and you get all this for only $299. If you want to learn more about the S&P Emini trade zones on my website, just click right here. And this will now take you into what the S&P Emini trade zones are, how they work. Essentially, they're support and resistance levels where price should reverse at a potential trade zone, and you could kind of put your stop behind. So this explains everything. And then finally, this is what the members section of the video course looks like. It's updated every single weekend before the market open on Sunday evening for the S&P futures. Is you have your top 5 trading strategies video course. You also have your how to draw trade zones, right? So depending which package you get, you have access to. This is where all the Thinkorswim custom indicators are, and then this is updated every single weekend for the S&P Emini futures. Currently, we're on the ESU22 contract for June 12th, 2022. These are what the charts look like, right? For the zones, give you any open gaps and VPOCs. You can even, if you use Thinkorswim, I give you the share charts with the drawings. So you open it, save the drawing set. That's all you need to do in your Thinkorswim, and you could put these zones on any chart. And then these are support resistant levels with any open gaps and VPOCs. And then if you click here, this is where you'll see the members video section, where you can watch all of the strategies for the S&P Emini futures and everything there and that you get with it. So hopefully you'll come check out my website at daytradingfearless.com. Again, $99 or $299. It's up to you guys, but both of them do come with the S&P Emini Weekly Trade Zones lifetime access every single week. I've been doing these for over 7 years on my website, so it's something that has been around for a long time, and I'm just starting to kind of give away my secrets, how I draw them, things I look for, and then also my top 5 trading strategies that I use on a daily basis to extract money from the markets and make a living as a trader. So make sure you check this out.